Yes, sir. Another day of having 50 million power in Rise of Kingdoms. Time to obliterate some smaller castles.
Man, they're so hard.
Only 50,000 power?
Yes.
Boy, what's troubling you?
I don't know how to do the math.
You don't know how to do math?
No.
Oh, damn. You haven't researched this yet?
I picked the Vikings.
You picked the Vikings? Rookie mistake, my guy.
The Viking civilization looks so good. Like, man.
Well, in the early game, you want to do something that boosts more research, construction speed, yada, yada, yada. But for now, I'll just help you with this.
So you know how to do this?
Oh, man, this is pretty easy. This is only multiplying the divine polynomials. This should be super easy. So, I'll just show you this because it's a good day for me. I just raided a bunch of smaller kingdoms, but I won't do that to you. So, if you want to do something like this, first off, you gotta factor. So, I won't teach you how to factor. Well, you already know how to factor because that's the very first thing you research in Rise of Kingdoms. So, this will turn into 8x plus 1. So you have 4x minus 4, 4x squared minus 4 over that. You know how to factor all that. X squared minus 1. We'll keep it like that for now. 2x plus 5. Then when you're dividing by fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So 4 times x squared minus 1 over, I'm just writing out the top, which is the numerator, x plus 1 times 2x plus 5 on top, and x squared minus 1 on the bottom. So, I could just keep on going, cap stuff like that, but you want to find restrictions. That's the main thing about multiplying and dividing polynomials. You don't want any zeros on the denominator. So, I'll just set all my factors at the bottom equal to 0, 8x plus 1. That'll just give me 8. I mean, x cannot equal 1/8 because negative 1/8, because if you put negative 1/8 into this factor, it will equal 0. X squared minus 1, I know that factors into x plus 1, x minus 1, so that'll just make it not equal plus or minus 1. So now that I have restrictions, you can just put them down here. You can start canceling x squared minus 1. You just want to cancel, but don't obliterate. When you cancel stuff, it'll just add up to, it'll just make it 1. And for 2, that equals 2, 1. So 2 times 2x plus 5 over 8x plus 1. And yeah, you're pretty much done at this point. 4x plus 10 over 8x plus 1. And combine that with restrictions, you're good. All right. Oh my gosh.
How do you do this one? I try to do the factoring, at least.
Okay, this is pretty big. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You see, factoring is just it's what makes it so scary. Once you put in its factors, then you pretty much already have set it into its place. So now you got to find the restrictions since you already got the factors nice and clean. So this 5a plus 2, that it cannot equal negative 2/5, I believe. Yes, sir. And then you got 2a plus 1, that is negative 1/2. And minus 2, that is 2. So now we got all the restrictions. Now you just got to cancel, but don't obliterate. So we'll see what's in common. 5a plus 2, 5a plus 2, I see you. A minus 2, a minus 2. Also get that out. And 2a plus 1 and 2a plus 1. And now I'm left with the a plus 1 up here and the 2 down here. And that'll just give me a plus 1 divided by 2.
Oh, that was much simpler than I thought.
Yes, sir. It's just the restrictions and yada yada. And you just gotta, it's much easier than
I mean, actually, I'm started with Egyptian.